Ang mga pananaw ng mga Kristiyano sa Darwinian evolution ay nagkakaiba-iba depende sa denominasyon at interpretasyon ng Biblia. May mga naniniwalang literal ang paglalarawan ng paglikha sa Genesis chapter 1:27 kung saan ang tao ay direktang nilikha ng Diyos sa kanyang wangis at hindi nagmula sa mas mababang anyo ng buhay, kaya tinatanggihan nila ang ebolusyon. Ang iba naman ay naniniwalang maaaring matanda na ang mundo at maaaring ginamit ng Diyos ang ilang aspeto ng ebolusyon upang likhain ang iba pang nilalang, ngunit hindi ang tao. Samantala, may mga Kristiyanong naniniwala na maaaring ginamit ng Diyos ang proseso ng ebolusyon upang likhain ang mga buhay ng nilalang, kasama ang mga tao, kaya tinatanggap nila ang agham ng ebolusyon, ngunit naniniwalang ang Diyos pa rin ang may pangunahing papel sa paglikha ng buhay sa kabuuan. Bagamat may iba't ibang pananaw ang mga Kristiyano tungkol sa Darwinian evolution, nananatili ang paniniwala na ang Diyos ang pinagmulan ng buhay at ang lahat ng nalikha. Ang Genesis chapter 1 verse 27 ay nagsasaad na nilikha ng Diyos ang tao ayon sa kanyang sariling larawan bilang lalaki at babae. Ipinakita ng talatang ito na ang tao ay may natatanging dignidad at halaga dahil siya ay ginawa ayon sa wangis ng Diyos. Pinapahiwatig din ito na ang tao ay may espiritual na aspeto at kakayahang makipag-ugnayan sa Diyos na nagbibigay sa kanya ng responsibilidad na mamuhay ayon sa kanyang kalooban. Educating our kids on the foundation of knowledge means equipping them with essential skills, values, and critical thinking abilities that will help them navigate life successfully. This foundation includes teaching them core subjects like reading, math, and science, while also emphasizing moral values, curiosity, and ability to question and analyze information. Secularism, while often presented as a neutral or unbiased worldview, can function as a kind of religion that actively opposes God. It established its own belief system, moral codes, and ultimate concerns, just like any religion, except that it deliberately excludes God from the equation, and its core secularism promotes the idea that human reason, science, and societal consensus are the highest authorities, rejecting divine revelation and absolute truth. It seeks to remove God from public, replacing him with man-made philosophies and shifting morality based on cultural ends. This makes secularism not just an absence of religion but a competing worldview that often undermines faith in God, promoting relativism, materialism, and self-sufficiency instead. Science is often presented as separate from faith, but in reality, it is a domain that belongs to Christ. Things in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible, He is before all things, and in Him all things hold together. This means that science, which seeks to understand the natural world, is ultimately the study of God's creation. Rather than seeing science as a competing authority, Christians should engage with it as a tool to reveal the order, complexity, and majesty of God's work. Every law of physics, every discovery in biology, and every breakthrough in medicine points back to the Creator who designed and sustains all things. The greatest scientists in history, such as Isaac Newton and Johannes Kepler, saw their work as uncovering the fingerprints of God in creation. By reclaiming science as a territory of Christ, believers can challenge secular assumptions that try to exclude God from knowledge and learning. Science is not an enemy of faith, but a powerful witness of God's wisdom and sovereignty. When approached with a biblical perspective, science becomes a means to glorify God and strengthen our understanding of His creation.